Hi guys! Welcome to my fourth vlog at ngayon ikukwento ko yung mga napulot kong aral sa week 4 session namin sa CVAP. Unfortunately, we're now down to our last session. Ganun talaga, all the things come to an end. Anyway, nakakasad na mag-i-end na yung CVAP journey namin, but I'm more excited of what's in store for us after CVAP. To prepare us for that journey after CVAP, that post-CVAP journey, Miss Lynn Gonzalez shared with us yung mga dapat naming matutunan in terms of dealing with clients. Yan. This is actually one of my favorite sessions kasi nagde-delve into na tayo sa legalities, the legal side of the client and you, voice artist, relationship. Sobrang thankful kasi ang dami ko talaga natutunan. Kasi ito yung nakakatakot na part. Oo, may talent ka, alam mo na kung paano mag-record, but what's next? Hindi mo na alam kung paano makikipag-deal sa client, diba? So, Miss Lynn shared with us how to create a contract agreement, how to make a resume for a voice artist. Ayan, meron pala tayong parang kakaibang style ng resume na para lang sa isang voice artist. Ayan, maganda rin siyang matutunan. And how to make a voiceover demo reel and a character demo reel. So, si Miss Lynn ay part ng Meta Voices and I hope to be part of Meta Voices din. Marami siyang shinare sa in terms of creating a voice artist resume, lahat ng mga dapat mong ilagay dyan to maximize showcasing your capabilities. Ano yung mga niche mo, ganon. At yun, para maging mas madali kang mahanap ni client or mahanap mo yung tamang client. Also, she shared with us what are the terms that should be included in the service agreement para hindi tayo maloko, no? Kasi maraming mga scammers nowadays na nagpapanggap na maayos na kliyente but hindi naman, hindi ka babayaran, bagkos ay hihingan ka pa. So yun, salamat Miss Lynn po sa pang-real talk niyo po para hindi kami maloko, no? In the afternoon, nagkaroon lang ng feedback session sa mga outputs ng co-voice mates ko at natuto din talaga ako na ang dami palang creative na aspiring voice artists, no? At nakikita ko na lalago yung voice acting industry with the kind of talent and hearts na meron yung sa mga voice mates ko pa lang, no? And I hope mas marami pa tayong makita in the future batches. So that's it. And I hope that mas marami pang matulungan ng CVAP. So since this is my last vlog for week 4, I just want to thank every mentor namin, Sir Pocholo, our founder, and sa mga co-voice mates ko for making this CVAP journey one of a kind and one to cherish. Thank you sa lahat ng learnings and laughter that we shared. Yeah. Thank you so much and bye-bye. Great day!